Hi everyone, I'm Giorgia. I'm an Italian illustrator and a visual designer, and today I will be unboxing this Kissho Gansai watercolor that I bought in Japan. I bought a singular color based on my taste, and I choose some different colors to be able to mix some other colors. Even though Japanese watercolor are best used as they come, so not really made for mixing. I'll be swatching them and we will see how opaque they are or if they are more transparent. Later in the video I will be doing a little demo with these colors, so stay tuned. As expected, Japanese watercolor are a little bit more opaque than European or, well, Western watercolors, and they come in a larger container, and I bought them at 220 yen each, which are, I think, €1 and 30 cents, which is insane because in Europe you can buy just like student grade watercolors. I can easily water activate them, and they come in a lot of colors. I just picked some. I try to pick cooler red, a cooler blue and cooler yellow, and then a black, and a warmer red, a warmer yellow, and a warmer blue, and a couple colors that I thought that I might needed, and non-neutrals actually, but I knew that I could mix them with these kind of colors. I find them very vibrant and very nice. I'm not using the best watercolor paper here, but I'm just trying to swatch them to understand the tones. Just watching them, I try to mix some of these, and I wrote down all the color combination because I wanted to see how I could make some colors like oranges or greens. Here starts the demo. I will not do a lot of comments, just a couple, so you can listen and watch as you please. I try to layer them, and I think that it helped with the uniformity of my washes. The paper is not the best, but I try to make it work just to understand how these kind of colors worked. And I think that mixing, it's not, these colors are not meant for mixing. They are more meant to stay as they are, because they make duller colors, a lot, like way more duller colors than I thought. They're pretty interesting, but I think they're more beautiful as they are. With darker colors, you can see that they can reach a higher opacity, and it's very nice actually. So you can almost use them as gouache more than watercolors. Anyway, I loved to play with these watercolors, and I can't wait to make more art with them. So if you like this video or this kind of videos, please comment and give you a like. And if you like my kind of works, you can follow me here on YouTube and all over my social media that I will try to link down below. Thank you for watching.